Welcome to the Let's Invest YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to present to you 6 things that especially poor people should avoid spending money on, based on quotes from Warren Buffett. We are here today because we are all seeking the secrets to financial success. Please take 2 seconds to subscribe below if you haven't already. And let's get started with the video. When we examine the advice of an investment genius like Warren Buffett, you probably understand the importance of making smart investments. However, in this video, we are going to divide our focus into 2 parts. While one part is about earning money, the other part is about how we spend it. In this video, we will be addressing the spending aspect. We have needs in every moment of our lives. Basic necessities like food, clothing, and shelter are essential for our survival. Therefore, a significant portion of our expenses goes towards meeting these needs. However, sometimes we can go beyond the ordinary and spend money on non-essential things. In this video, by limiting our spending on things we don't need, you can take a step closer to your financial goals. Warren Buffett and many similar financial experts believe that dining in expensive restaurants, especially when done frequently, can have a negative impact on your budget. Expensive restaurants typically offer high-priced menus. Engaging in such activities regularly in such places can quickly accumulate bills and lead to overspending. Generally, the flavors of meals in upscale restaurants are appreciated, but delicious food can also be found at more affordable establishments. Additionally, dining in expensive restaurants can sometimes encourage people to spend money without much thought. It can be great for a special celebration, but regularly going to expensive restaurants will cause financial difficulties in your budget. Warren Buffett, mathematically speaking, emphasizes that gambling is a financial loss. He also points out that gambling can be a significant threat to personal finances. Gambling can lead people to risk large amounts of money quickly, and often results in financial difficulties. Instead of short-term entertainment, gambling is a trap that can jeopardize long-term financial health and success. Warren Buffett recommends investing and saving money instead of spending it on gambling. Therefore, we can consider spending money on gambling as something that should be avoided. To secure your financial future, you should keep gambling away from your wallet. Warren Buffett advises avoiding high levels of debt when buying a house. According to his perspective, it may be a more sensible approach to rent and simultaneously build your financial assets rather than taking on significant debt to purchase a home. This strategy is presented as a means to prevent getting trapped under a burden of debt and to preserve your financial freedom. Warren Buffett's financial advice encourages minimizing risks and aiming for long-term financial success. Please feel free to share your thoughts on this topic in the comments. Gym memberships can sometimes fall into the category of expenses we need to consider. First and foremost, this situation can vary from person to person. The key factor to look at here is the frequency. Your membership payment may be an unnecessary expense if you don't go to the gym often. However, if you have an active usage, you can justify the cost of the membership. Additionally, you can find alternatives outside of the gym. Outdoor sports, exercising at home, walking or running can be more cost-effective and efficient alternatives. In conclusion, a gym membership depends on personal preferences, budget, and exercise habits. Canceling memberships based on your usage frequency can be good for your personal finances. Experiencing things like travel is an important aspect of enriching our lives and creating unforgettable memories. However, if we don't manage these experiences properly, we can suffer financially. Traveling to a destination for a few weeks can be an invaluable experience, but we must not forget that it will require us to spend money from our wallet. Many people regret such expenses years later. Excessive vacation decisions can lead to financial problems and even result in debt. Therefore, when planning the trip of our dreams, we should not let emotions take over and maintain a logical perspective. Let's remember that financing such experiences with credit or debt can financially strain us when the vacation is over and turn our wallet into a nightmare. Carefully planning our financial situation and saving to have a fantastic journey is the wisest way. Of course, buying a new car can be an exciting experience for many people. However, when you consider your personal finances, you may find a better way instead. And Warren Buffett shares similar views on this. When many people buy a new car, they only think about the price of the car. But remember that buying a new car also comes with high insurance costs, maintenance fees, taxes, and many other hidden costs. This can put a significant burden on your personal finances in the long run. Instead, consider buying a used car or keeping your current car for a longer period. This is all I wanted to share in this video, but I'd like to take a moment of your time. In my opinion, there's nothing stopping you from achieving success. The biggest obstacle on the path to your goals is often yourself. Remember, if you believe in yourself, you will succeed. I hope I've been able to offer you something in this video. If you enjoyed it and want to support me on my journey to reach my goals, you can click the subscribe button below. That would mean a lot to me. This concludes what I wanted to share in this video. My name is Let's Invest, and I thank you for watching. Also, you might find the videos and playlists appearing on the screen interesting, so I recommend giving them a look.